Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, before I play this video for you, I want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you. Guys, I'm very grateful. Your support is amazing. Thank you so much, guys. And also, I want to thank all our patrons, people who are always on the streets fighting for this country, risking their lives, the lives of their families, receiving insults from left, right, and center for the sake of this country. Guys, we appreciate you all so much. I will not mention you one by one by your names. You know yourselves. We know you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. We are very grateful. Let's get into this video, guys.
How's it? Right, my face. Can't tell an end. Can't tell. Somebody comes to when. When I'm back. Vicious. Mamela is vicious. Buffet. Nenzana. About the content. No. Tell us, Mamela. One, asinazi bani ngenehlobo luni elobalibela apha eMzantsi Afrika, asinazi bani namaphepha nobani namaphepha. Okwesibini ke kuloo ndlela ningene ngayo anivumelekanga into okokubana nizocheba intloko isaluni apha, nivule ikhonteyina sepha nioperate apha, anivumelekanga zizinto zabantu abaseMzantsi. Ngoku siyavala ngoku anizuphinde sepha ngoba apha indlela zokungena ingaba ungena uzokwenza ibhizinesi yakho, investment yakho maqala kufanele. Okwesibini uzosebenza umsebenzi urhulumente okanye private sector uze neskill ezinqabileyo, bonke amalapha bayakwazi ukucheba. So anizuphinde nina nivule apha.
And what makes things even worse about these people is that their countries are reserving all these small businesses for them. In Zimbabwe, where they are coming from, the government of Zimbabwe made it very clear that all these small businesses, salons, petrol attendants, tuck shop, and all these other small businesses are reserved for Zimbabweans. But here, they are expecting us to fold our hands and watch them to take all those things. In their countries, these small businesses belong to them. Even here, the small businesses belong to them. No, it doesn't work like that.
Bonke amalapha bayakwazi ukucheba. So anizuphinde nina nivule apha. Uba ninamsebenzi wokwenza eMzantsi Afrika, hambani bafethu uphinde lemawukwenu. Siyabhani? So sicela bafethu. Sicela nje nivale. Hola, uyangitshitha?
Last time we were here, there was that girl who was arrogant. Yeah. That's just the Magavan was to one says Zimbabwe.
Oh,
no, in like Abba. Thomas says Zimbabwe, arrogant. That's Italian. Oh, I'll take arrogance. I'll get clever.
I like when you are South African. Now, what's Zimbabwe? Just support Zimbabwe. Just support Zimbabwe. Please, come on. When I was in South Africa.
And then some sebenzo kapel.
When some sebenzo kapel. We vile la ndo ethi fanele bangandisenike. Anika yivu. Awukayivu. Wona ke siyakuxelela ngifanele baniyahamba. By 30th ka June fanele banikho apha. Zininzi carpentry apha kwaba bantu sihamba nabo apha. So awunawusuka eZimbabwe uzokwenza icarpentry apha. So siyanicela njengoba niphuma nobhuti wakho nidibane nincokole uba nizophuma njani before 30th. Because we don't know what is going to happen on the 30th.
mhlawumbe kaloku ndifake ndispana namajita lapho like njengoku labo bendisebenza nabo yebo
basebenza nisebenza hlobo lini
vele sibhatala nophela kwenyanga.
No bona bashiye basebenze wena uyovula ngesi skilo sikhathe apha phaya.
Endoda easy lento. Ambani olwela izwe leni. Ambani olwa nomnanga apha. Thina sijilisana noRamaphosa osixakileyo. Asifuna uxakwa nini. Sanba cowards. Go back to your own countries. Fight for your own freedom.
If niyadinga sisibize siyonini.
Invite us. Go back to your homes. Then fight for your own liberation. Please, Buffy.
And I was watching a video of Usofi Mukwena, our international journalist. She said Southern Africa must expect more Zimbabweans to run away from their country to their neighboring countries because of the political tension in Zimbabwe. So we don't know what they are going to do because they don't want to fight for their country.
Sanba cowards. Go back to your own countries. Fight for your own freedom. Ngeke siphakamise nezivuthu kulileki kubaningi ngale content sicela uthethe inyama
hayi ndabe ngincedisa lona uyavala
kubani unikazi wecontainer
le content nisebenza ku
ekabani container
lena andiyazi
ngani wena
uncedisa lona
ngincedisa
uyavala
okay, it's fine. Jonga kanoni.
Awuyazi njani?
Jonga sisine. Enye into ezokwenzeka. Apha eSouth Africa uthola umsebenzi wakho wenza. Wenza inhloko. Jonga ke ndiye sivele senze lula le. Nabona amaphepha okungena eMzantsi Afrika noba unawo. Oqala uphula umthetho awuvumelekanga into ngobana usuke ezini. Uzapha eSouth Africa uzokwenza inhloko. Oba unengxaki hamba lo msebenzi sisi cela unjonge lo msebenzi hamba uyowenza ngapha kokwenu eZimbabwe sevana oba ninengxaki dilishanani nomnangwagwa aninike freedom nathi ngosisilwa nokusatha onguRamaphosa sifuna liberation yethu asiyenzi lento ukuba nomnyama nobupinki nobuwhite simcaphukele ngicela sisi phinde yezela kokwenu ngokusathithwa kamnandi lento uzikhangele into okunokuyenza please ungaphinde kuvulwe apha operator siyacela
Hey South Africa, quick message for all of you guys. Please, it's time that you start focus on South Africa first. What do I mean with that? I don't care race. You need to put race second. You need to put everything that these politicians in South Africa tell you second. You in your mind need to think of South Africa first. All people in South Africa need to work together. All people in South Africa need to go into the same direction. We need to become the country that love our land the most. White, black, Indian, colored, doesn't matter. We all love that land. We all need to have a mindset of South Africa first. Our kids need to go to school. Our kids need to learn business. Our kids need to learn how to take that country forward. We can't fill our kids' minds with sick history, which was wrong, but let's get over that shit. Let's build our kids for a better South Africa. Let's focus on South Africa first. Let's not focus on party first or leader first. No. We South Africans, we have more in common than what the media and these politicians are telling us. We, from today, need to start with South Africa first. South Africa first. Party second. Nonsense third. We need solutions, not talk about problems. Our kids need our leadership, pushing them into the right direction to make our country become the best country in the world. South Africa can be the best country in the world, but we are holding South Africa back. We are taking the opportunity away from South Africa because these politicians want us to hate each other. It stops. On this account, we spread the message of unity and South Africa first.
Where are those people who are saying this thing is for Zulus, fighting for the country is for Zulus, is for only Zulus? Where are they? Are all these people speaking here Zulus? Guys, we have to appreciate all our patriots. And guys, some of you did not watch the video I posted this morning till the end. I'm saying this because I was reading the comments. I saw some people who would say, No, they did not watch the video till the end. At the beginning of that video, I was thanking Jacinta for what she is doing for the country. The reason I'm saying some of you did not watch it till the end is because I saw some of the comments saying, let's thank all of them. So that is how I noticed those comments were from those who did not finish the video. I know sometimes it's difficult to watch the video till the end, especially if it's too long, but it helps to watch it till the end, so for you to understand everything. So guys, as you can see, country iya cleanwa, all races, all tribes are together. So guys, wherever you are, preach the unity of South Africans, whether you are black, white, Indian, colored, let's come together as one, all tribes. Let's be together to fight for our country. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.